Well, we certainly saw quite the storm system yesterday. Last night came through here, gave us some sleet and snow across the area. Take a look at some of our storm chaser video from Blake Brown. You can see how icy those streets are. A lot of crews out and a lot of cars also in ditches, and accidents abound across the area. Unfortunately, we're going to see much of the same for us as we head into the next couple of days for us. Here's what we have going on, though, right now across the area. You can see a live look right now in our BCL Skycam in Dalhart. They're seeing some moderate to heavy snow falling right now, and that is just making that road situation just that much worse for us. Then looking at outside right now in downtown Amarillo, well, we're not seeing heavy snow, but we are starting to see some freezing drizzle and very light snow mixed in with that, and that's causing a little bit of a glaze, especially on those bridges and overpasses. So be very careful if you must travel this evening. Otherwise, Viper radar, you can really see a big uptick in the amount of snow showers up across our northwestern parts of the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles there over towards Dalhart. Again, they are seeing quite a bit of some snow showers right now. That is expected to spread over the entire area, as the main source of all this energy is expected to arrive here in about an hour or so. We do have a winter storm warning that is in effect from now until 1 p.m. on Wednesday, and that could even get extended even further depending on how long this winter system kind of sticks around the area. There still is a little bit of some uncertainty there. Current temperatures, though, are definitely on the colder side. Look at that, in the teens. 14 degrees in Clayton, with the winds, though, probably feeling like it's below zero. It's 18 here in the Amarillo area and 26 in Childress. Meanwhile, 18 degrees in Clovis. So our significant weather impacts, this is how it's going to go for us tonight. Again, seeing it across the western and northwestern areas, seeing heavy snow. Then looking at mostly sleet and freezing rain across the southeast. But right here from Amarillo to Borger to Perryton, we're kind of right there in the kind of battle zone there. So if there's a minor change in the track of this system, if it goes a little bit to the south, a little bit to the north, that's going to change what we see the most of. But we're going to see a bit of everything, and no matter where you are, it's going to be quite impactful with this system. So here's our Barron computer model, obviously not picking up on the snow that we're seeing right now, but this is still a good idea of what we're going to see overnight. We're going to see these convective bands of snow and sleet really start to pick up here over the next several hours, going into the overnight hours and tomorrow morning. As you're waking up, the snow is still falling at 7 a.m., at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then it's finally going to start to give us a bit of a break in the afternoon before we see round number 2 come in here as we head into our basically evening hours of Tuesday night into Wednesday. This is what we're watching. Very heavy snow, heavy freezing rain, and that again is going to make it very treacherous for that morning commute on Wednesday. That's why we have this winter storm warning in effect for so long. It's going to be a very impactful system. So something to just keep in mind there. Looking at our 7-day forecast, though, several weather alert days ahead. So make sure you're taking this storm seriously and limit travel if possible. 28 degrees tomorrow, briefly above freezing on our Wednesday, and then things should be coming to an end, though, by the time we get to Thursday. That does it for weather, though. Stick around. We'll be right back with much more.